How to transform your footage into a pencil line sketch like this. With your clip selected, go to the Color tab. In the qualifier window, decrease the luminance until you have a fair amount of darks. We need to isolate the dark parts of the image. Add alpha, output and connect the blue dots. In the edit page, move your clip up and add a background clip below. I'm using a simple paper texture image, but you can choose whatever you like. Now I will use my lines. I created those line stroke textures using my phone. You can make your own, but if you are a lazy motherfucker, then you can download my textures. I will add the link in the description. It's free, you just have to send me $1 million. I have 5 variations of hard line. Add them into the timeline in top of your clip and set the duration to 1 frame for each image. Duplicate him to make a loop. Select them all and make a new compound clip. In the composite panel, set it to foreground mode. Select your clip from below and set the composite mode to alpha. Duplicate your clip and place it over the others. Go to the color page, select your first clip. In the qualifier window, remember the luminance high value of the clip. Select your second clip. In the qualifier window, set the low value around the high value of the first clip, and the high value where you don't have many highlights selected, because in this clip we want to isolate the mid-tones. You don't have to make it perfect, we will come back to furthermore adjust those later. In the edit page, repeat the same process like we did with the lines clip, but this time use the mid-tones image. When you're done with the loop, make a compound clip again and set it to foreground mode. Duplicate your clip one last time and place it again over the others. Go to the color page and in the qualifier window, set the luminance where you have the highlights selected and some of the mid-tones. Go to the edit page and repeat the same process again, but this time use the images for highlights. When you are ready, it's time to go in the color page and adjust the values of the qualifier to find what works best in your clip. When you are done, go to the edit page and select all of your clips except the background texture and make a new compound clip and set it to multiply, right-click and select render in place. Add a stop motion effect to the clip and set the value to 3 or 4. You are ready. In my case, I just added an adjustment layer and added some film grain and color to the clip. If you find this clip useful, make sure to watch my other clips, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.